Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a recent trade-in. This is a Sea Ray 400 SLX. Starting here up the transom, we have Sea Deck in gray going through the whole boat. The cockpit interior color is stone. We have the submersible swim step. Pull down side. Along with this backrest that swings open. Moving into the boat, retractable sunshade, T cockpit table, sink. We have 2 refrigerators on this boat, dedicated trash bin, opening canvas selection in the hardtop. Moving up to the dash, we have twin 16-inch screens, your Mercury joystick piloting. Only 200 hours on the engines. Moving into the cabin, we have plenty of sleeping for 4 people, 2 in the front, 2 in the aft cabin, along with a stand-up head. Moving up towards the bow, plenty of seating on the boat, bow table, easy access to your windlass, freshwater shower. We have a valve cover for this area. Also a cockpit cover for the boat. Give us a call at 631-956-4865.